Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials quickly. You're signed into the Microsoft account tied to the store and Windows Update is current. Once done, make sure system date, time, and internet are correct because activation validates against those. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft Store, then Advanced Options and select Repair. This attempt fixes common activation file or permission issues without data loss. If repair does nothing, keep following the next steps to reset caches and services that the store depends on. Now you clear and refresh the components the store relies on. First, run WS Reset. EXE, this silently clears the store cache and often fixes activation errors tied to stale tokens. Next, open Services. MSC and restart Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Windows Update, then restart the Microsoft Store service if present. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell and reset or reinstall the store package with getapps package Microsoft. Windows Store pipe to reset or remove and reinstall. This replaces corrupted app files. Finish by re-authenticating and running the built-in troubleshooters. Sign out of your Microsoft account in Settings Accounts and sign back in to refresh credentials. This often resolves activation token mismatches. Then run the Windows Store troubleshooter to automatically apply fixes for known activation problems. If activation still fails, create a fresh local or Microsoft user and test the store there to determine if the issue is profile-specific. One key tip: if nothing works, temporarily disable third-party VPN or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.